everybody, this is a MoPro coming at you once again on fixing of the car. Well, I have this GMC Envoy and we have some technical difficulties with these lights, and what I mean by that is the bulbs are not working. So stopped at the local AutoZone and picked up some bulbs. This is the model you need. You need 9006, and these should be your regular low beam. Low beam at the top, high beam at the bottom. You know how it goes. So we're going to change this to make this super quick. We're not going to take a lot of time on it, okay? So I pulled out all my tools. You're going to need a flathead screwdriver. Drill, I pulled out my drill, but come to find out, you don't even need a drill for this. It's two tabs here. This one right here. You pop this tab and you pop this tab right here. Right here. They should pop right up real easy. If they're pretty hard, you might use a pair of pliers. Pop it up and pop. They lift up. If you have an issue, get you a flathead screwdriver. Put it right here up under it and pop. It'll pop right up. Now let's get in here. Change these bulbs real quick. Okay, when you first pull it out, of course, you're gonna have this cable that connects here. Once again, flathead screwdriver. For the cable that hooks here, there's the cable, already took it off. Let's change it. Okay, now after you turn it counterclockwise, it'll pop out. When you pop out, you can check it out, and you can actually tell. I don't know if you can really see it, but you can already see that this one's burnt out. So I got a fresh new one there. Make sure when you change these, do not touch the tips. I know they got their little dark stuff on it, but just oils on your hand sometimes make them burn out. So I just be safe than sorry. I don't even touch it. I try to change it as fast as possible without touching the front lens. So let me change it and I'll get back to you. Now, there we go. They're in. Low beam, we changed the low and we changed the high. Make sure you put these rubber caps, covers, back over the top of this. Keeps it from getting moisture, you know what I'm saying, and weather, whatever. And that's how you change your light bulb. Well, it's a MoPro coming at you once again. Peace.